In order to save total costs, we have provided a unique solution for this agricultural greenhouse. We have used many unique designs and integration solutions to minimize the total project cost. Let's take a look at this agricultural greenhouse together. Firstly, the column is a square steel pipe. Just use a few anchor bolts anchored on this ground beam. Then take a look at the vertical direction again. Is this galvanized truss? Trusses and columns are actually connected with bolts. You can see it clearly. On the top of the crossbar is actually a small gutter. The gutter is mounted at the top of this column. And this U-shaped gutter is a prefabricated component. It's a structural component. Look its connection. It's used waterproof materials and a supplementary connector. Then take a look at this double-sloped roof frame. It is put on top of this gutter. It's quite clever. It is directly locked in. And then glass was installed on top of it. So we noticed that there is a skylight above this double-slope roof truss. This skylight is worth a look because it can be opened. How can it be opened? It has to be shape rod supported. So this strut is connected to a connecting rod. And at this position of the connecting rod, there is a rack. And there should be a gear. Then let's look at it horizontally. This is a long axis. And there is a motor connected here. Can you see it? This is an electric motor. After the motor starts, this support rod can open the sunroof. And what clever is, this support rod is connected into a long strip, so you can open all the skylights synchronously. Additionally, do you notice that this is a sunshade? These sunshades can also be fully opened through the motor. And these sunshades are all connected to this thin steel wire rope. Can you see it clearly? It's very thin. As an agricultural building, we need to consider ventilation. So, we considered ventilation on the wall, very large type. Let's take a look from outside. The ventilation looks like this. I particularly noticed its glass is connected to this frame very simply. How is it connected? Look at it here. There is a small fixture like this. It is directly stuck in this groove. Then the glass is fixed. In this case, the cost will be very low. So, I've always liked to say one thing. Make simple things to the extreme. It's just not easy, although it is just an agricultural greenhouse. But in reality, it contains a lot of structural knowledge and many clever design. If you have better idea, please let me know.